Okay, we're gonna try this again. This is what I have woken up to this morning. Aside from the massive amounts of snow, I'm coming up this way to the end of my driveway. The cars are sliding. This would be Lincoln Avenue. This is the tree that is in my front yard, and you can see how much it's, as soon as I slide, how much it has fallen. I'm actually surprised that it didn't fall down altogether. And this is a tree that actually fell on my roof, which my landlord will of course have to fix. And you can see how much snow has drifted up here. See my feet. It's cold, people. It's very, very cold. There's my door, and you can see how close this has come to my door. And people trying to drive this morning. I think this would be the kind of morning that wouldn't you just call out of work at this point? I guess not everyone has that luxury, but oh well. This is my backyard. And now normally you wouldn't have this much in the way of trees being down. I'm attempting my steps here, but I'm not going down any further. Don't get me wrong, the snow is beautiful, but there's been a lot of damage back here. Right there is pretty close. There's been a lot of drifting snow. And as you can tell, I'm trying to walk back here. I see there is possibly damage to the Dutch elm. The landlord's gonna have a nice little field day about that. All in all, not as bad as what I thought. I'm one of the lucky ones, and then I didn't lose power. But that tree right there will be fun to try to get down. And there's more of the big tree. Needless to say, that scared the crap out of me when that fell. Because after that, there was no sleeping. And you can hear cars trying to drive. It's not working out so well. It's beautiful. Oh. Well, let's see where that fell. And if I can figure out how to zoom on this thing. There we go. There we go. As you can see, there's where it cracked. See if we can get a side angle of this without killing myself. See? There we go. And it promptly decided to fall on my roof. Oh, the fun we will have with that. There is a ton of snow out here right now. And people sliding down Lincoln because they're stupid. Here are the icicles hanging from my place. So now I am quite cold. As you can see, I'm wearing more snow than anything else. So in this case, people, I'm gonna go back inside. It's a little cold. Whew. So have fun, people. This is a blast. Bye-bye.